Here are 5 tips for making an effective marketing video. Number 1, define your audience. The first thing you should figure out is your intended audience. In order to produce an engaging video that hits the mark, you need to know who the video is for and consider them in every step of the process. Number 2, develop a strategy. Developing a well-thought-out strategy is key to ensure your video's success. With the amount of money that goes into a video, it's always important to think about the future. Doing research on competitors and how they market themselves is a step in the right direction for developing the right approach. Number 3, educate, don't sell. Salesmen are a thing of the past. Though the point of a video may be to promote something, if you make it too aggressive or forward, you are likely to lose viewers. Focus on educating your audience and being a source of valuable information. Number 4, know where you are at in the marketing funnel. A marketing funnel is the journey your customer takes to purchasing a product or service. Knowing the purpose of the video, whether it is to raise awareness, interest, desire, or action, is key when planning and producing. Number 5, respond to feedback. Use feedback as a tool to improve your strategy. Check the analytics, review comments, and dissect the video to see what worked and what didn't. Doing this will help you to construct more effective videos in the future. Producing a video can be difficult, so consider these tips for your next project. If you liked this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.
Varx Marketing. Video marketing with real returns.